So in today's lecture, we are going to discuss how to calculate the lambda max for enol system. What is the meaning of enol? Enol means there is a alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Okay. So carbonyl compound, carbonyl carbon, there is alpha carbon, beta carbon, presence of double bond. So ene and ketone carbonyl. So it is a enol. This double bond is also there, but it is an extra double bond in conjugation. So this is our basic system. It is the enol. If Z is R, it is the ketone. If Z is H, it is aldehyde. So to calculate this, to calculate the lambda max for such type of system, the rules are given, and according to rules, we can calculate the lambda max. So first rule is given to you. Basic lambda max for unsaturated acyclic compound, unsaturated acyclic compound, and the value is 250 nanometers. So this is the first value. Second basic value is given. Basic value for 5-member ring. If ring is 5-membered, ring compound is given to you and it is 5-member ring, that time you have to take the 202 nanometer is the basic value. If the third basic value is given is aldehyde. Means if in a system Z is equal to H, means aldehyde is given to you. That time for aldehyde, the basic value is 207 nanometer. So here three basic values are given, but in a diene only one basic value is given. But here three basic values given. You have to choose one of the basic value depending on what type of compound is given to you. Okay. So you will understand when we actually solve the problems. Second, next is extra double bonding conjugation. You already know about it. For their value is 30 nanometer. Homoannular diene, their value is 39 nanometer. Exocyclic double bond, their value is 5 nanometer. Then next to the substituents. But in case of diene, the alkyl substituents are just count, and for each alkyl substituent, we take a value of 5 nanometer. But here the thing is different. If alkyl substituent, then see their position on alpha position, beta position, gamma position, or delta position. Means alpha position shows 10 nanometer, beta position shows 12 nanometer, and gamma or delta shows 18 nanometer. Means in case of diene, we take the 5 nanometer for each alkyl substituent which are present on carbon-carbon double bond, conjugated carbon-carbon double bond. But here the position is important. See the position. For alpha there is a 10, for beta 12, and for gamma and delta there is a 18 nanometer. Second, halogen. If halogen present on alpha position, their value is 15 nanometer. If Cl present on beta position, then take a value 12 nanometer. Okay. OH, OR, alpha, beta. For alpha there is a 35 nanometer. For beta there is a 30 nanometer. Then ester group, which is present on alpha, beta, or gamma position, take their value is 60 nanometer. Okay. If oxygen is present, only single oxygen, for their value, if it is present on beta position only, for alpha, for gamma, for delta, there is a no value is given. So their effect is only possible on beta position. Thyro group, SR group on beta position, NR group on beta position. So 85, 95 nanometer values are given. So these are the values which are given to you. Using that value, you can solve, you can calculate the lambda max. So first of all, understand the basic node, then label the alpha, beta, gamma, delta or higher delta. Okay. So from delta to onwards, each has same value. Delta असेल तर त्याच्या पुढे किती व्हॅल्यू दिली, किती पण alkyl substituent असेल तर deltaची व्हॅल्यू घ्यायची. Delta and higher than delta. For that, so here gamma, delta or higher than delta, take 18 nanometer value for the alkyl substituent. Okay. So we are going to discuss one by one to solve the problems or to calculate the lambda max. Okay, this is to you. So here it is a 6-member ring, means carbonyl carbon is a part of 6-member ring. So for 6-member ring, the value is 250 nanometer. Only 202 nanometer value is considered for the 5-member ring. Other than 5-member, for all the rings, you can take value 250 nanometer. Okay. So first of all, you can label here. It is your inode. Okay. So basic value 250 nanometer. 5-member असेल तरच घ्यायची. 5-member नाही आहे तर 215 घ्यायची. अनडेड असेल तर 207 घ्यायची. 5-member असेल तर 202 घ्यायची. अदर दॅन 5-member पण नाही, अनडेड पण नाही, सायक्लिक असू द्या, असायक्लिक असू द्या, 215 नॅनोमीटर बेसिक व्हॅल्यू घ्यायची. ओके, झाली. देन see, second point is we going to discuss homoannular or not. Yes, the first value is basic, second is it homoannular? Yes, this ring containing 2 double bonds, it is the homoannular line is present. So take their value homoannular line, you add 39 nanometer value, 39 nanometer. Third point is it extra double bond in conjugation? It is the basic line. It is the basic line. This bond is extra in a conjugation. This bond extra in a conjugation means it is the extra double bond in conjugation. Extra double bond in conjugation. For that, there is a 30 nanometer is the value. Okay. Next, what is the fourth point? Is it exocyclic double bond present or not? See here, this bond is exo to this ring. Don't think this up. Don't think about this. It is the carbon, not exocyclic double bond, carbon carbon. So this bond is extra to this ring from exocyclic. So exocyclic double bond. For that, we add 5 nanometer value. Okay. After that, see the substituent. Before that, you have to mention label here alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta. On alpha position, here is the carbon. Here is the carbon. Means 1 alpha alkyl substituent. 1 alpha alkyl substituent. For that, the value is 10 nanometer. On beta, no substituent. On gamma, there is no substituent. On delta, there is a substituent. On delta, there is one more substituent. So in here, 1 delta alkyl substituent. For that, value is 18 nanometer. Which value is 18 nanometer. So here, don't think about this. This substituent is not considered because here is a carbonyl. See the substituent on carbon-carbon double bond, not a carbon-oxygen double bond. Okay. So think about alpha, beta, gamma, delta position. Okay. So add these all values. There is a 370 nanometer. Lambda max is 317 nanometer. Okay. समझ Okay, next example is, so basic value is 250 nanometer, homoannular line, there is a 39, extra double bond in conjugation, 30 nanometer, exocyclic, 5 nanometer, 1 alpha substituent. So their value is 10 nanometer. There is no substituent on beta and gamma, there is one more substituent on delta carbon. So their value is 18 nanometer. So total is 317 nanometer is the lambda max. Okay, so another example is there is a 5-member ring. So this is the enol. This is the basic enol. Okay, but ring is 5-member. Carbon is the part of 5-member ring. So basic value is 202 nanometer. किती घेणार 202 नॅनोमीटर घेणार किती 5-member ring. Then see, there is no extra double bonding conjugation, there is no homoannular, so you just label alpha beta. So first basic, there is no homoannular, there is no extra double bond. Second point is exocyclic double bond. This bond, look at here, the bond is exo to this ring as well as this ring, so you consider there 2 times. So 2 into 5 nanometer, total 10 nanometer. How much? Total 10 nanometer. Third point is substituents. The alpha position having the substituent, this beta position having these 2 substituents. So here, one alpha alkyl substituent, their value is 10 nanometer. Fourth point, on beta position there is a 2 substituents. So 2 beta alkyl substituent. So 2 into 12, total 24 nanometer. So the total is 246 nanometer. Our max is 246 nanometer is the maximum wavelength. Okay, so basic value for 5-member ring is 202 nanometer. There is no extra double bond in conjugation, there is no homoannular dyne, so exocyclic double bond is present. The bond carbon-carbon double bond is exo to both the rings, so that's why we consider 2 times. There is a 1 alkyl substituent on alpha position and 2 alkyl substituent on beta position. So for alpha substituent we take 10 nanometer value, and for beta substituent we take 12 nanometer. So 2 into 12, there is a 24 nanometer. So total is 246 nanometer. So some example which is given in book. So we are going to solve the problems which is given in exercise. The answers also given. Verify your answers. Okay, so this is the example. So first of all, you have to label your enol system. Okay, this is your enol, and see, is it a conjugation is extended or not? Double, single, means there is a conjugation extended up to this. Means there are 2 extra double bond in conjugation. In a same ring, there are two double bonds, which is homoannular dyne present. So label here alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and other positions higher delta. Okay, delta and higher. So first of all, take a basic value. It is a 6-member ring, means you have to take basic value 250 nanometer. How much? 250 nanometer for the basic value. Second, homoannular, yes, homoannular, 39 nanometer. Third, extra double bond in conjugation, yes, these 2 bonds are extra. So 2 extra double bond. So for that, the total is 60 nanometer. For each bond there is a 30 nanometer, so there is a 60 nanometer. We add the 60 nanometer. After that, see the exocyclic double bonds. Yes, this bond is exo to this ring. 4. 1 exocyclic. For that, the value is 5 nanometer. For that value is 5 nanometer. Then last point is substituents. So alpha position, no substituent. On beta position, there is a substituent. So 1 beta substituent. But which alkyl substituent? Okay. On gamma position there is a no substituent, but on delta position there is a one more substituent. This position not, but here also substituent. So this substituent considered two times because it is a mutual substituent for beta carbon and C as well as this carbon. So here you can write 1 and 2. So 2 delta and higher substituent. Delta and higher substituent. परत लक्ष द्या डेल्टा वरती एक आहे आता ही हायर डेल्टा पोझिशन्स आहे इथून जेवढं कॉन्जुगेशन वाढत जाईल तेवढा हायर डेल्टा पोझिशन्स आहे या पोझिशनला पण सबस्टिट्यूएंट कन्सिडर करायचा हा याला पण सबस्टिट्यूएंट आहे आणि याच्यासाठी पण सबस्टिट्यूएंट आहे सो हियर दिस कन्सिडर फॉर बीटा as well as also considered as a delta higher position higher substituent so for beta it is 12 nanometer for delta higher 18 so there are two total 36 nanometer so do the total here 300 367 is it correct yes it is correct 367 nanometer is the lambda max okay then next example is okay so this is for you you have to solve and comment your lambda max okay so for this example first is what is the basic value so basic value is it is a 6 member ring so basic value is 250 nanometer second point homoannular time is present nanometer then this is the in one so the bond is extra in configuration so here third point is extra double bond 30 nanometer then this bond is exo to this ring so fourth is exocyclic bond 5 nanometer exocyclic double bond 5 nanometer then alpha beta gamma and delta okay on alpha position there is a one substituent on delta position this and this is the substituent two substituents so you can for alpha for gamma and delta value is same so directly consider here fifth point is one gamma substituent value is 18 nanometer 6.2 delta substituent value is for that is the 36 nanometer so total is 343 nanometer lambda max is 343 nanometer is the answer correct your answer you can write okay we have to take another last example then use solve remaining Okay. So for that, you have solved and come in your value. Okay. So for this example, we take a basic value first. Basic value is 250 nanometer. Okay. Then is the see there is a one more bond in conjugation. Okay, there is a no homoannular because in a same ring there is no double bonds. Means homoannular is absent. Then we will discuss. We consider the extra double bond in conjugation. One extra double bond in conjugation. So extra double bond 30 nanometer. See the exocyclic. This bond is exo to this ring. The double bond is exo to this ring. Means exocyclic double bond. For 2 there is we add total 10 nanometer. Then alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Okay. On alpha there is a no substituent. On beta one substituent. So one beta alkyl, one beta alkyl. On gamma there is a one gamma alkyl. Okay. On delta position, see here. Some student do the mistake here. This delta position having two substituents. So 2 delta alkyl. So for 1 beta, there is a 12 nanometer. For 1 delta, gamma 18 nanometer. For 2 delta, 18 plus 18, 36 nanometer. Okay, so total is 321 nanometer. 321 nanometer is the lambda max. So this way you have to solve all the examples which is given in exercise or which are present, which are available on in previous question papers as well as on net. Okay, so try to solve all the problems, all the calculate the lambda max. Okay, if you have any difficulty, okay, you have to message me. Okay, हम वो एक अपना